So the video is about the Bodo history weekend episode number 1. So 7 days simbi sorry about only about the history of Boro. Okay. So then episode number 1 is about Ndfb history ni bagai beri suru jaga neman ar manthai attack khalanman ar mama jane bini bagai esi nera legan para bujara le man ba sob prale jubba mane it will be around 2 to 3 hours. Okay. So first of all Boro Ndfb naam gaya man. Okay. Ar ji Ndfb form jade man established it was established it was made 1986 okay on 3rd of October 1986 form it was on 3rd of October. Okay, first name is by Bodo Security Force but in articles it is written BDSF. Okay, so please if you know anything about D ni bagai BDSF ni bagai ese ni michiba please anko comment kalang gahe ma okay, so nathai BSF if I change Sanani Ndfb name ko real name like Ndfb ni name convert jadang on 1994 on 25th of November. Okay, so it was first Bodo Security Force, then it goes to Ndfb on 1994 on 25th of November. So attacks man kalaman. Now we will go in attacks. Okay, so attacks man kalaman number like attack ko kalaman to non-Bodo peoples. Okay, Chaya Boro nga before attack khalangan likely like there are Santhal, Munda and Oraon Adivasis. So first attack mainly first Gidar attack khalangan on 1992 on 12th December. Okay, 7th Assam Police Battalion headquarters at Sorai Khola in Kokrajhar district. So we have first attack khalangan in 1992 in 12th December. Be attack by attack police battalion ko. Okay, 7th largest, maybe largest also, who knows, but 7th hanandong alai, so 7 number of gullies and hago eba gidirsin and hago 7 number for that reason. Okay, but article of the bidlin, so I'm saying in articles. Okay, and bisre nang lai dengman eba attack kalamnuman with 160 self-loading rifles is known as SLR. Okay, shortcut of SLR. So Manba eba yeah 5 light machine guns LMG hanani LMG ko to nisir mi chain khai be jana ho. Okay, so be to jabe attack number 1 first attack comes the largest one, then second it started on 1996. So biniono attack jabe but it was not so big issue gaman. In 1996 it started a big manche camping launch kalambai Ndfb fra munche camping launch kalambai like it was camping name was cleansing camping. Okay, and ethnic cleansing camping. It was started in 1996, killed 100 plus peoples, means non-Boro machurgo 100 plus buthadan. Okay, binyo no high bija khangni no high, then it started to come out in one new group like munche by Ndfb, then one is BLT as a rival. Okay, facing a rival mane jini Boro na aro munche as a Boro rival in kharbo by like BLT. Okay, in 1990s Ndfb faced rivals and cover already with the name as like BLT. Okay, so in the full form name it's Bodo Liberation Tigers Force nani. So BLT has evolution like evolved kalambai BLT it was started from a small military group like Boroni military group anjaman, but the military group ni name acha by Bodo Volunteer Force. Okay, ar bisarma kalaman like BLT ni main doing things are like support kalaman Indian security faced force ko. Okay, Indian security force support kalaman from Ndfb ni attack ni pai basin thakai. In 2003 BLT surrender. Okay, BLT surrender jabai and returned from that particular group or ji dongman eba bipurna karna ni BTC opi bai eba dai BTC na lada, so BTC opi fin bai. Okay, so bisar establish kalam ne eba banai ne BTC ko banai ne bisar fin bai BTC ono. Okay, so nungsar buj khasin de Kokrajhar kan da Bodo na fin bai. Okay, for that reason article le no ji le no before mang. So first of all BTC gaman, but now it is BTC. Okay, so bisar pipin by BTC ona bujna labeda mandang michila kamara sara michasi kamajana wo but क'क्राझाराव फैफिनबाय दे BTC बानायनो एबा बड'लेण्ड टेरिटरियेल काउन्सिल बानायनो फैफिनबाय okay to establish होनदों so दायो बिनि उनावहाय NDF तो सिलेन्डार जाथ'बाय okay in history it's NDFB surrender जाथ'वाखैमोन okay so they made camps NDFB फ्रा camp बानायबाय 2003 to 2004 they made 12 camps in Bhutan and Assam ni border ni गेजेराव मोनसे इसोर camp बानायबाय 12टा camp okay but बेयावबो प्रब्लेम फैबाय NDFB प्रब्लेम फैबाय लाइक बिसनि camp खौ the Royal Bhutan Army destroy खालामजोबबाय मान destroy खालामदों होनोबा like the camp destroy खालामनायनि main reason आ मोनसे like operation सोलिदोंमोन Bhutan Army आव okay एबा Bhutan Royal Army the Royal Bhutan Army आव मोनसे operation सोलिदोंमोन like the operation name was Operation All Clean होननानै so for that reason बेहाय जादोंमोन okay so बेवहाय clean खालामनांगौ जाबाय then बिनि उनावहाय रन्जन दैमारिखौ offer खालामदोंमोन तुरुन गगोइआ on 2003 like for maybe peaceful or like peaceful इफोर नांलायलांना मा नाङा बिनि थाखाय जादों खोमा like it said amnesty by Assam Chief Minister okay Turun Gogoi in December 2003 but reject खालामदों on 2004 3 years जादोंमोन but reject खालामदों on 2004 8 of October बे offer को reject खालामदोंमोन रन्जन दैमारिया okay so बेफोरखौ by बिनि ससेखौ आं दोनस्रानोसै and बिनि उनावहाय like NDFB नि जि conclusion एबा जि peace जादों okay sign खालामदोंमोन history of peace like Amit Shah Singh a historic peace treaty with faction of NDFB in February 2020 okay so this is the end आं मिथियो नोंसोर सोरबा बुजियासै जानो हागौ but how much I can I just say this about NDFB आं बिसां हाय रिसर्च खालामनानै जेनथेन आं लाबोनानै बानायदों okay but आंनाव टपिक दंमोन आं straightly बे टपिकखौ लाबोनाया माने actually जादोंमोन like some of my sisters one of the sisters said me this please make a topic about this NDFB so for that reason I made this video if I'm mistaken I'm so sorry about this please forgive me for that because I am not so interested in these things like violences all these things I just know how much I can okay so Jai Boro Jai and love you all everybody and I wish you will support me for the next episode because next episode will be much interesting because I researched it around I research खालामदों मेरा सप्ताहनि थाखाय research खालामदों बे खोथाखौ लानानै बे episode को बानायनो सानदों like बे weekend को बानायनो सानदोंमोन आं बानायनो बे जि weekend दङ नङा होमबा so Bodo history weekend नि बागै आं जि बानायनो सानदों बेखौहाय it's from like 2 weeks back that's why Jai Boro and Jai and love you all everybody and so be peace and please respect for our Bodo fighters okay don't just disrespect them मानबा जों disrespect खालामनो लाब गैया मानबा जों बिसना हायसो बिराद दायो बिसां हायो जों थानो हादों peace आव okay for that reason love you all